Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss asbestosis and related diseases. What are asbestos? These are family of crystalline hydrated silicates. Exposure to asbestos is related to or can lead to pulmonary interstitial fibrosis, lung cancer, pleural mesothelioma. This is malignant mesothelioma of pleura. Then diffuse fibrosis, then pleural effusions and laryngeal carcinoma. These are the conditions that can be caused by inhalation of asbestos. Pathogenesis. What happens when asbestos enters into the lungs? Then macrophages engulf asbestos. When macrophages engulf, inflammasome activation occurs and pro-inflammatory cytokines are released. Due to these, inflammation starts that causes activation of the fibroblasts and fibrosis develops. In case of cancer development, reactive oxygen species are produced. Furthermore, there is adsorption of the toxic chemicals on asbestos. For example, toxic chemicals of cigarette smoke and cancer development occurs. Morphology. In case of asbestosis, we can see diffuse fibrosis with the presence of asbestos bodies. What are asbestos bodies? These are golden brown fusiform or beaded rods with a translucent center. They consist of asbestos fibers coated with an iron containing proteinaceous material. Brown color is imparted due to the presence of iron crust. Then there is honeycomb appearance due to diffuse fibrosis and contraction of the scars and alveolar collapse occurs. This is honeycombed appearance. Then mostly it is present in the lower lobes of the lungs. Pulmonary hypertension develops due to squeezing effect on the pulmonary blood vessels and cor pulmonale develops. Pleural plaques can also be seen on X-rays. Clinical features. These are indistinguishable from other fibrosing diseases. Dyspnea appears after 10 to 20 years of exposure. Cough, sputum production, pulmonary hypertension, congestive heart failure and cor pulmonale and result is death can occur. So lung carcinoma and malignant mesothelioma are also the features that are caused by asbestos and other products. Thank you.